Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how we can compute skewness and kurtosis using Microsoft Excel. So suppose here we have data on age and completed years of children 1 to 5 years old, and we want to know that is it normally distributed or skewed, or is it has any peakness. So we can use is equal to skew. So skew is the function in Excel which can tell us about skewness of the data. Then we have to select our data. So we can see that the coefficient of skewness is 0. That means our data is not skewed. Now we can use cut function to know about kurtosis. Again we have to select data. Okay, so this is also almost equal to 0. So we can say that our data is not skewed and it has no kurtosis. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any query, you can drop your query in the comment section. Thank you.